Vitamath 24. Here is the problem. A point inside a rectangular region is at distance 10 feet, 22 feet, 28 feet from the consecutive corners of the rectangle. Find the distance of this point from the last corner of the rectangle. So to help analyze the situation, let's have the figure. This is the rectangle and we have a point inside the rectangle, call it P. Then this should be 10 feet, 22 feet, 28 feet, and this is X feet. So let's draw lines through the point P vertically and horizontally. So call this distance A, this one A, then B, then that is C, and call this distance D. Then we have right triangles here. Let's have Pythagoras theorem. So for instance, we have a square plus b square equals 10 square. We also have, this is a square plus c square equals 22 square. So a square plus c square equals 22 square. Call that equation 1. Then here we have a square plus b square equals 10 square. And call this equation 2. Then let's eliminate a square by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we have c square minus b square equals 22 square minus 10 square. So c square minus b square equals 22 square minus 10 square. And 22 square minus 10 square is 384. 484 minus 100. So call that equation A. Then on the other, for these two triangles here, we have c square plus, this is d, c square plus d square equals 28 square. And in this right triangle, by the way, call that equation 3. In this triangle, we have b square plus d square equals x square. And let's eliminate, call that equation 4. We can eliminate d square and form the difference c square minus b square. And take note, it is 384 from equation A. So subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, we get c square minus b square equals 28 square minus x square. So c square minus b square equals 28 square minus x square. Replacing c square minus b square by 384 here, then we can now solve for x. So 384 equals 28 square minus x square. That means x square equals 28 square minus 384. And 28 square minus 384 is equal to 400. Therefore, by extracting square root, x is square root of 400 and square root of 400 is 20 feet. Therefore, x is 20 feet. So that's it for this problem. I hope that you have gained another technique, another mathematical technique in solving this problem. And I hope that your thinking skill will improve as we move on, as I present problems which will help you think, which is very important in your engineering preparations.